Hello, this is October 2025 Unit 2 IAL paper Edexcel accounting question number 2. Okay, part G, evaluate whether Copper Castings Limited should introduce ICT to help with the bookkeeping and finances of the business. It should include finance, technical and human aspects. Okay, so what is the whether it is useful. Okay, so now the general pointers for any ICT, okay, for any ICT use is it records fast, it records accurate data, means accurate calculations, okay, calculations. So it does accurate calculations, and accurate calculation, it is super fast, it is automatic workload, but it is expensive. Then training, and there could be errors in the entry of data. Then entry means error can't be identified, double entry errors can't be identified. So these will be the general advantage and disadvantage for ICT. Okay, how do you put it? Because what is the technical? Finance means it's also to do with cost. Technical is the update of software, and what is the hardware in that, and human aspects involve training, okay, knowledge, and it becomes easy for them. So you can write for 2 points exactly. Okay, like for example, for the financial we can say like it ensures that records are kept accurately and you are able to prepare the financial statements properly. Okay, double entry is very accurate, and it is automatic calculations, it is super fast in doing the calculations, so it is going to reduce the labor cost. Okay, and it will also reduce the cost to hire the employee accounting staff who for this purpose. So it can also reduce the staff of the workload in finance, because it is doing automatic and fast calculations. So these are the you can exactly write 2 or some points which is related to all of them. Then what is the against point? So what is the disadvantage of using ICT? Well, there may be you can find that hardware is expensive, so computer and its software are quite expensive, and you have to constantly update it. So you have to buy or subscribe monthly, and also you will have to hire and train them who has specialists, not just in accounting, but they also need to know how to use the accounting software. Okay, that is the thing. And you will also have to constantly upgrade, okay, service it, because there will be constant virus threat, or you need to have a backup also. So backup also, because if it gets destroyed, then all your data will be lost of the financial statements. Okay, however, and some entry errors cannot be identified with this. Okay, that's also thing. But in conclusion, you can conclude that the efficiency benefits of introducing ICT to bookkeeping and finance, it outweighs the disadvantages, right? So we can see that the benefit is it's new and modern trend to do lot of work. So it means that it is going to, the advantages are more in accounting than having a bunch of books. Okay, so it reduces even having the actually for the, you will not have some books, okay, physical books that needs to be stored. So all those are the advantages, and the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. So this is